You know, a lot of times when I'm traveling, some people ask me, they say, Ryan, will you ever come here again? Hey guys, not the sunniest day out there, but we're in country number 13 here in Croatia, in Rijeka. I just want to show you guys quickly my little apartment here. Got my own kitchen, please ignore the dishes. Got this awesome little place. It is £20 per night, which, you know, for a double room, I've got no one to share it with. Not today, but when you're cooking, you know, it's a reasonable price. It's a reasonable price. But the weather has been really awful. But today we're gonna go walk around Rijeka. Let's see what there is to find. Okay, so out here on the main street now, walking down. My apartment is right, like, around the corner from the main street. We're literally on the corner. I've not really had much chance to walk around because the weather has been so bad, but we do have one mission today, because tomorrow I'm going to the islands, and the mission for today is to find some swimming trunks, because fingers crossed, the weather's going to pick up real soon. So let's see what we can find. So the city of Rijeka here is right on the north side. It's probably the main port city. There's also the city of Pula, which is a little further along. I think this is the main connections to all the islands and everything. So if you're not quite heading down from Zagreb towards Zadar and Split, then Rijeka's probably the best place for you to come if you want to start getting on the islands. It really is quite a small place, but it's got this really nice atmosphere, like a nice lively little town. And the drive on the way down here is amazing. You just you're walking along, and then the cliffside opens up, and you can see the cities from way up on the top of the cliffs, right down by the sea, and then you can see the islands in the distance. We're going to head down towards the water in a little while. It's going to be the first time I've walked down there, because, like I say, the weather's been so bad. Something going on over here. Big queue for something. Got all these cute little boats here too, and the flags. It's got a nice atmosphere. And still, people eating ice cream too. It doesn't seem to matter where I go, what time, or what the weather's like. There's always some ice cream going on. Cool building. Really old looking buildings down that street too. I'm actually so pleased to just be outside without getting absolutely drenched. You can see, hopefully in the distance up there, there's a great view of the like the higher parts of the town. Pretty cool. Please excuse me while I just slide into the DM.
Oh, that's really mature.
No idea where on earth I am right now, but check out some of these awesome views. Pretty cool as well. Smells a bit like egg stuff, not really like. Can't everything perfect, can you? That little statue over there. The views of the sea. Eggy River. Yeah. Cool little place. Check out this. This is the city park. It's about the size of the parks I'd expect back at home, but hey man, it's better than nothing, right? That's a nice little place. I jest, of course. Yeah, nice little green area. See that bird standing on top of that? That guy's head, the statue, not a real man, unfortunately. So this is just us heading down towards the pier, because tomorrow I've got a boat and I have absolutely zero idea where it's going from, so I want to kind of scout the place out. Okay guys, so I made it to the end of the pier. Sorry about the wind here, but I had to share this view with you guys. I mean, this is crazy, just look at this. You can see the islands in the distance. You can see right now we're in Rijeka, and all the way at the other end here you've got another village or town called Opatui, something like that. Like, you can see them from across the sea, and I can see the islands from across the sea. And like down there's a bridge. Now I might be crazy, but I know there's a bridge that connects the mainland from here near Rijeka to the island of Kirch. And man, if I can see that from here, that's just crazy. I'm gonna have to check that out and see if that's true. How cool, right? Super cool. Really cool. Amazing views. So, next time you see me, I'm not going to be on this city anymore. I'm going to be on the islands. So, hopefully the sun's going to be out, and I'll see you there. Take it easy, guys.